Hello, we are FCC Property. We are at Kağıthane project now. Kağıthane, we can say for the Kağıthane exactly downtown because very close to the city center. At this project, you can go to the Taksim around 10 minutes. Also, Vadi Istanbul in 7 minutes from here. The landscape is the land area exactly 140,000 square meter. And also for facility area, there is a horse club. This is the one of thing. The other thing is the indoor-outdoor swimming pool. And also there is a basketball and football court, tennis court. The apartment type is starting 1+1, going to be 5+1. There is a 19 blocks here and project ready. Delivery started. Title deed will be ready 2 weeks later.